It's February 9th, and it is snowing again. This is the second time today. It's another really bad snowstorm. And then, look at this. See the bird feeder? Not too long ago, it had a snow pile on it up to the connector between those two wires, and it slid off. There was so much snow on there, it just kind of slid off and plop, hit the floor. It is one heck of a snowstorm, huh? I thought that guy down there was stopped. But he is not. It was my eyes playing tricks on me. Now there's a snow stack.